Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lenny. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to doc. I have two methods, so let's dive right in. So as you can see here, I do have a resume template which I just downloaded off Canva. It's in PDF and I want to convert it to a Word document so that I can edit it. There are two ways to do this. The first one is by using Adobe Express. So simply go into your browser and type in express.adobe.com and navigate to the document tab and then navigate to convert from PDF. So this is what you want to do. You select this one and then you can either drag or drop the file, or you can browse from your library. I'm just going to browse to where I have my PDF document stored. In the drop down here, as you can see, it defaults to PowerPoint. So as you can see, you can convert it to PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, RTF, Microsoft Word. This is what you want to go for. Microsoft Word into bracket DOCX, Docx. You select that and then you download it. It does take a while to convert, but it's really good. Okay, so this is downloaded now. I'm just gonna open it. Okay, so this is all opened now. So as you can see, this is now open in Microsoft Word, and you'll be able to make any changes. You'll be able to change the image, change the phone number, and edit it just as you please. The next method is doing so by Google. If you don't have a Gmail account, simply go to mail.google.com and then click on sign up and you'll be able to create a Gmail account. Now that you are in your Gmail, simply go to compose and send the file to yourself. So we have the file already in our email now. As you can see, this is a PDF. So on top here, you see open with Google Docs, and there are some third-party apps as well. Domain PDF, Doc Hub. We don't want to open in PDF, we want to open in Google Docs. And as you can see, this again has been converted for us. You'll be able to make changes to the text. If you want to change anything, you'll be able to do so. If you want to add any other additional effects, you should be able to do so. So for instance, I'm able to insert a horizontal line. I'm able to make this text bold. Very quick and simple. Let me know how this goes for you in the comment section below, and if you have any questions or if you face any challenges, I'd like to hear it and see how we could work together to solve it. And that is it for today's video. And if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post out new content. If by any chance you'd want to remove the background of a photo as well, then do check out my last tutorial on the screen. See you in the next one.